Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to deactivate your Instagram account on Android phone. So the first step is to open Instagram and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right of the screen and then click on these three lines here and then click on settings and privacy. Now in the settings and privacy, click on the search tab on the top and search deactivation or deletion. As you can see, it shows the option here. Click on it and then click on the account that you want to delete or deactivate. I'll just click this account here and then I will select the option deactivate account and I will click on continue. It will ask me the password of this account, and if I give it the password, then my account will be deactivated. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.